If I was the president or a member of the parliament, send me a 1 man penny. Send me a 1 man penny and answer me your penny. If I was the president or a member of the parliament, answer me your penny. Send me a 1 man penny and answer me your penny. Anka wo hiya buru tuwo beta we ya makai mini mu se wu beta ni abedi ni abeno ni abeda adisi ya pani ya pomude wu benya we ya party se mu wana sentopa president obo ya ma wuchipa president obo ya ma wapaba president obo we ni ajenkwa. If I was the president I would member
that means wrong any dia ma po dia ba buga yeda nasi ejuma we nyame ti ni kwa ye wa ma ye buka e ti besia
me a 1 man penny.
me ba menya nyoma bebre menya brush menya pencil me dana se panya ko na obo wi ase nyoma nyina o isha no ma na adwuma o ye nyina